channel. So today I'm going to be making some Chatpate chaat. So let's begin. So I'm going to be adding pre-boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1 can of chickpeas, half a red onion, half teaspoon of lemon juice. So I'm going to be using these Namak paray. These are savoury, so I'm just going to crush them up individually. So I'm now going to give this a quick mix. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, a few tablespoons of tamarind sauce. I'm going to now mix this all together, and I'm going to add some fresh chopped coriander, a sprinkle of chilli flakes. I'm going to now mix this up again. So just to decorate this, I'm going to just crush a few more of these Namak paray. And I'm going to just drizzle some tamarind sauce. And there we have it, our Chatpate chaat. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.